And today I'm very proud to invite on stage DroneDeploy CEO Mike Winn, who will tell you more about some of the amazing work they're doing in the space.
Thanks, Jan. Super excited to be here and super excited about the Phantom 4 multispectral. Before I start on that, I just wanted to think about the fire departments. DroneDeploy has actually been affected by fire twice. And I've actually seen a whole team of firefighters charge into our office where we had one foot of visibility. We had a fire next door. They charged in, they used their axes, and fearlessly. And our office was saved. So I just wanted to give a clap to all the fire teams here. Thanks very much for all your work. I'm really excited to support you. It was really awesome to hear Romeo tell the story of Paradise. I'm going to talk about ag, but DroneDeploy, we support all sorts of industries, and we're really excited to support all the Drones for Good activity. DroneDeploy is actually a Pledge 1% company. That means we pledge 1% of our time, our energy, to good causes. And as a part of that, we do a lot of work with fire teams. And that whole activity of getting 16 fire departments together through Romeo and his team, coordinating all that, and then processing 72,000 images, is that right? 72,000 images on DroneDeploy within 48 hours, we think is just such a great demonstration of the scale and the value that drones can achieve today. And we're going to talk about that scale. So I'm Mike, I'm the CEO and founder of DroneDeploy. We've been doing drones and ag since about 2014. It was the first industry we went into, but DroneDeploy serves every industry. Farming is really big for us, and what's really exciting about agriculture right now is the scale. And we're seeing that scale here today with this whole wide room, adopting drones. We're also seeing scale in each individual company. When we started DroneDeploy, in the first few years, it was only one drone per company, maybe 2 or 3. 2016 started to get to 5, 6, 7, 10. 2018, we started to see the first real wide deployments, and we're really proud that we've got multiple companies now flying over 100 drones in their fleet. True scale. Let's talk about that. So at DroneDeploy, for those of you that don't know, we make drone software. We make drone software that works across many different types of drones, but we focus specifically on DJI the most. You can use the flight platform there, and our customers use it all over the world. We've over 5,000 customers paying for our product today, and they are doing a ton of work. Actually, 1 million flights per year are happening on DroneDeploy. Over 3,500 every single day. And you're going to hear about Portiva. They're doing a bunch of those. Our community is super active. They've mapped over 100 million acres. Sounds like a big number, but to contextualize that, that's actually the size of California. I don't know who flew into California today. I suspect a lot of you. If you looked out that window and you think about the size of California, it is truly gigantic. And to think about that a community of drone users using DJI, using our software, has mapped the entire California is incredible. We're really proud of all the work and all the value that our customers are getting out of drones today, operating at real scale. I'm going to talk a bit about how they're getting to scale, why this is happening, the maturity of the technology that Jan talked about. We were really proud of a product that we released the last couple of years called LiveMap. The first question we got asked when we came into the agricultural market was, can you deliver me the data immediately? I'm out there at the field right now. I want to make decisions right now. Not tomorrow, but right now. And so we had this immediate quest to be able to deliver data in real time. And that's what LiveMap is. It enables our customers to make decisions at the field edge. Literally, while the drone is flying, and you can watch this video, the drone is creating an auto-rectified map of that site. It's not real time in the sense of 10 minutes later, or whip out your Windows laptop and put it on the back of the truck. It's real time on your iPad, processed on your GPU, right then and there. Our customers are starting to walk to those areas of interest, those trouble spots, while the drone is still in the air. That's true time to value. And what that's enabling, time to value is the true scale. And we're seeing three things from our customers that is leading to scale, really operationalizing this technology. The first thing you need is reliability. This stuff needs to work 10 times out of 10. The whole industry has been making great strides on reliability. The second thing you need is ease of use. This stuff must just work. That's our expectations now, right? You buy a product and it just works. You put it down, you press the button, it flies, it gives you the data you need. No fuss, no questions, no clicking, not lots of buttons, it's easy. And that ease of use is critical to scale because you can imagine if you've got hundreds of pilots, do you want to send hundreds of your team on week-long training courses to figure this out? To require lots of support? No, this product just needs to just work. And just working leads to the third thing that's important for enterprise scale, and that's time to value. You need to get that value immediately, quickly, to enable you to make the right decisions. And that's all about, you've got to make good decisions, that gives you the return. The investment is the amount of time you put in. We can minimize that investment, we can maximize the ROI. And to surround all these things, you need an enterprise platform that enables that. And we've talked a lot about security today. DroneDeploy is proud to be the only ISO 27001 certified software company in our space. You need the enterprise user management, the fleet management, the audit trails, all that to enable a secure and scalable operations of your products. And that's enabling companies like Corteva to grow to massive scale. They're already on 350 plus drones right now. You're going to hear more from Jeremy. I'm not going to try and tell his story. He's going to come up next. We're really proud of the work that Corteva's done and how quickly they've scaled their program. But it's not just big companies. Corteva is the #1 corn seed company in America. We have lots of small companies, small businesses, whether it's just single growers using the technology or small service providers, but even to the mid-sized companies like the Equity. The Equity is a great story. They've been using drones for a couple of years, and they've just got great metrics. They are a co-op in the Midwest who helps their farmers, provides advice and sells them seeds and chemicals. And what they found was as they transitioned to using DroneDeploy away from other drone technologies, they were able to capture 2.5 times more data per day. That's all that time to value, ease of use, reliability enabled all those things. And in capturing all this data, they were able to actually build more trust with their customers, deliver better decisions, better advice, and they found that they were able to increase their sales by 7%, the sales of chemicals and seeds, and increase their retention rates by 10%. So that's real business value being delivered by drones. And we've got hundreds of these stories. If you go to DroneDeploy blog, you'll find lots of them. People are finding real value, real numbers, real ROI. So I was talking about the Midwest. We're in California, so I thought I should highlight a Californian customer. Bowles Farm is about 5.5 hours northeast of here, north of here. And they are saving $15 per acre. And they've got a 1,200-acre farm. 12,000-acre farm, excuse me. So you can do that math. They're saving $180,000 a year with drones. I can tell you their budget for the drone team is not $180,000. They're getting massive ROI. And all the things that are enabling these companies are those three things: reliability, ease of use, and time to value. And that's why we're super excited about multispectral, the new P4M. We see a product that can deliver all those things. Up till now, DroneDeploy has just been focused really on the RGB world. We've heard from our customers you can capture a ton of value in agriculture just from seeing your field from above. But there's that next step of seeing the unseen, and we're excited to make that available to our customers. So we're really excited to be announcing we'll be supporting the P4M and the data. DroneDeploy will be launching full 5-band multispectral processing. It's going to be available in Q4, and you can learn more about that at the DroneDeploy conference, which will be October 16th. We're super proud of the work that our photogrammetry team has been doing. We've got 6 PhDs working on that full-time, computer vision, machine learning. I think you'll find, if you've used DroneDeploy before, and you haven't used it for a while, I think you'll find that we can actually deliver you the best data quality of any product, and it's all through the cloud, so it's infinitely scalable, so you can process 16,000 acres in 48 hours if you really need to. we're really proud of the work this team has done. We're really proud to be able to support this product, and we're excited to be able to do more for the agricultural community. So thanks very much.